Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Sam for Spaces. So today we're going to have a look at the rooftop terrace. The blockwork has been completed and now the mason is cladding it in the flat stone. As you can see, once it's all finished, we will give it a nice acid wash so it can come up nice. We'll also have a nice resin that you can put over it to make it look nice and shiny. I also want to give you guys a quick look at the compound. We used artificial grass and some paving slabs to do it. I think it came out pretty decent. It looks really nice. I think we still have to do the summer hut for the client. I think it's nice and spacious. It's a lovely area in Prampram. The property is facing the main road, and to the back of it is you have a nice beach view. So it's really nice. I feel like this property it's got so much to offer. It's a shame that it's not for sale, but it's a nice property. It's a nice property. Nice compound size as well. 120 by 100, which is pretty big. That's over a plot. That's probably like 1.5 plots. So I think the compound came out really nice. I also had the tiler come in to do a little bit of finishing touches on the porch. As you can see, it's been tiled in grey. I really like the grey tiles that we use. We use some metal strips also for the cornering. Just to give it another little effect, and it's coming out nice. I feel like this property has got so much to offer. In the next video, I will be taking you inside the property. We are also doing a staircase for the rooftop terrace, so obviously we need a staircase to climb up to get to the rooftop terrace. We will be starting that staircase sometime this week, hopefully Saturday. I'll try and get the carpenter in to deal with that. But I hope you enjoyed the video. We have so much more to come. Apologies, guys. I'm kind of new to this YouTube stuff, so you have to have a little bit of patience with me. Give me a little bit of grace. I will be getting much better at recording and doing and editing videos and stuff like that. It's just all new to me, but I feel like it's definitely needed. But thanks again, guys. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next video. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Take care.